Jakedo ne ratich oganda e kaunti ma Narok obago romo e kaunti no mar lalruok wi yore mowinjore mag geng'o lwenje ma kit chwech. Kaluwore gi nonro ma 2022, kwan nyithindo ma nyiri mitero nyangi osechopo 14.8% e pachoka mangima. Lwenje ma kit chwech ahinya te oganda matimo pith mag jamni bende osebedo midhiero kaluwore kod kido gi timbe maricho mag ogandago.
February of this year, and it gives us a lot of hope.
All of us, not to work in isolation.
We are very happy as the anti-FGM board to work closely with the CSOs network and really say that the CSOs have been our foot soldiers, and we have really appreciated that the work you have done has really helped us to reduce the cases of FGM.
I sought to go to Parliament because I wanted people to have a conversation about FGM because it was spoken in harsh tones. CSOs, the law banning female genital mutilation, has given you a platform to talk about it.
Special thanks to the girl generation, support to the African-led movement to end FGM, cover the task force members and the anti-FGM board for your leadership and dedication. Let us continue to work together, raise our voices, and translate our commitments into concrete action. A society free from female genital mutilation is our desired goal.